of all, please, a massive round of applause. Tia, here we go! Zoe, what did you think of Tia's performance?
Tia, I'm so proud of you right now. I can't believe how fast you've grown up and how much your voice has matured in such a short amount of time. You were walking around the stage, you were owning it, your breath control was insane. Like, it's coming on leaps and bounds. Keep doing everything you're doing because it's paying off. Like, the key change, you handled that so well. You are a little powerhouse and you sliding up and down the notes and you're making it look easy. Keep doing what you're doing, Tia, because you're on the right path. Thank you.
Harry?
Yeah, you're definitely on the right path with the songs that you've been choosing. These last two performances, they've been spot on. I love the fact that you built in power and you really pushed your voice on there. You could see that you've just got this big diva voice inside. And the last big note that you did was, well, I loved all the vocal gymnastics that you did in that, because that's not an easy thing to do, and you controlled it and handled it so well. You should be really proud with that performance, Zoe. Well done.
Thank you.
So yeah, that was quite clever of you then. That was really clever, because I think for the first time ever, I really believe this was the sort of song I would hear you singing, right? So this is like the most suited to what you can do as an artist, even though you're still growing and they need some improvements in places. In terms of song choice, this is my favourite song you've selected since being with us in Towers of Cymru. So whatever you've done by picking this song, because I feel like this came from you, like something you really enjoy yourself personally. So whatever that is, let it take over a bit more, because something about what you were picking has made a difference. That made a huge difference tonight, picking that song. In terms of what it does, there was a lot to do in that then vocally, so it allowed us to show, oh my God, this girl's got a little bit more than what we've seen so far, and that's what you did there. So in terms of what you've done from your audition to now, this was a huge step up, but keep that improvement, keep coming on. Make sure you're picking good song choices like that, working on your breathing in certain parts, little things like that, but let me tell you now, that was a step up. So well done to you. Round of applause for the guys. Well